Send a tax. Can you confirm that?
Mombra Mekano. Everything is confusing.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified.
Also, as you can see right behind me, residents of Akonfra in the Ashanti region are shocked at the revelations of this morning's raid led by the Minerals Development Fund. The Minerals Development Fund, together with security agencies, in the early hours of today, apprehended some foreign nationals who are believed to be part of the syndicate leading illegal mining operations within the forest reserve found within this community.
The community is fed up. And in fact, the communities are fed up. They are fed up that they destroy the land, they destroy the water bodies, and at the end of the day, they're going to blame government. Because they want water, government has to provide. They want this, government has to provide. For these Chinese who said they don't even feel sorry for what they've done. They've destroyed our water bodies. They've done so much. We will also push to make sure that the law takes its course. But if they are going to be deported, it should not be before they pay for the restoration of thing.
In fact, let's hear from the horse's own mouth. Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. Are you responsible for what we see here? You? Were you the one who did this?
No.
You're not the ones?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
So what are you doing here?
No.
Does it know English?
You're not the one who did this. You didn't come here?
No English.
But were you the one who did this? Were you the
No,
one
no, city, no.
You're not the one who did
No,
this?
city.
You're not the one who did this?
No.
So who did this?
No, city.
You don't know?
No.
Okay. Obviously, these foreign nationals do not speak the language. Let's see if we can. Yeah, were you the one who did this?
No, city.
Are you sure you're not the one?
No.
But you can see.
No.
Where's the machine?
Machine, no machine, no city.
Oh. So who did this?
No city.
Who did it?
Me.
You?
Me house yesterday come.
Oh, you came yesterday.
Yesterday come.
From where? Which country?
No city.
Which country did you come from? China?
China.
Oh. So who brought you here? How did you come here?
No English.
We're within the Jamura Forest Reserve of the Ashanti region. And as the name will have it, it is a forest reserve. And of all the things you'd expect to see in a forest reserve, obviously, will be animals and vegetation cover. But Joy News is now uncovering, guess what? A fuel station located in the heart of a forest reserve. And guess what it is doing? It is fueling all of these machinery and earth-moving equipment that you see in your shots here, ostensibly belonging to illegal miners who are digging deep into the heart of this forest reserve and destroying all.
And they called me that there's a problem here.
There's no problem, sir. The only problem is
and
that
I saw you
they
are people,
blocked
so I
us.
want to know what is happening.
So I've told
Which
you.
people brought you?
Okay, no. I want to know.
Let me know.
No, it's okay. I want
Now
to know.
you have cleared it.
Yes, I've cleared it. So I want to leave with what I have. Let's go.
Doc, so we understand it was the police who sent the tax. Can you confirm that?
Mombra Mekano. Everything is confusing. And they made them to block us.
The police made the tax to block you.
That block us so that we release
The Chinese
here. So I went to tell the commander that the only thing I have to tell him is that I'm carrying those Chinese to the region and we push for them to be moved to national.
Police need to
My police can inquire. Hey! Stop in your car! Stop in your car, not to tell
passe à pour on va mettre une passe What? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. So that you also come fair. That guy is walking the solo. That guy is walking solo. Okay, find them for me, please.
Okay, so straight. So by the understand.
So he answers more. He say he will indicate for you. They will talk to you.
We are sure they be formula.
It will be. You're going to about every board. And they say it will be swabber. It will be blaming me. Now, I also be say, can I resume?
No, he a tour ben or go for board, so I see a mind for
a tour. Are they?
Yes, when you tour if you bought
why no? Who be this? Hey, are you of fire? Of fire, I said, Yenty of fire, Danny Shime.
Abano D11, Mimblemu, Bia Socket, Jeffrey Father, Miblemuno. Mimblemu, Bia Secretary FIFA, and a Miblemu. I go na me, one a Miblemu. Set taxiway, and I'm also a taxiway. And Kajama to a back on board on Sonanka, Sum Bie. Would the American Mako eat to a back on every board of Sonako Factor for Fraba? Yakodako Sorea or Marco Setu Kuruma Cornua, Apapahu, a being so cool D11, Santine. Etika the Jeffrey for one of my boss of war, and come a tour back on Copen board of Sonanaka Ghana for Sakroma told me in a wasi. Mimo to be a to a to be Munina Munim to a crow. And come a quina to a back on cotton about Nosonaka Ghana for Asumunia. Aqua Hunde Dam, I said, but I can't just bobo. I must say, you to a back on a free, and the other 12 for Fraba. Etiabetia, why? Tax for now, Abano D11, Mimblemu, be a socket, Jeffrey Father Miblemuno.